Two I am here to present a speech on topic about living in the present is a key to happiness and success. But first of all, I would like to thank Gulab for recitation of Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول صدق الله العلي العظيم. Living in the present is a key to happiness and success. It allows us to focus on what feeling important and let go of it and find joy in the simple things like nature and love. Thank you.
Living in the present allows us to be more confident to trust ourselves and our abilities. Thank you.
By living in the present, we can break free from the cycle of negativity and focus on the positivity. Thank you. When we live in the present, we can appreciate the beauty and wonder of the world around us. Thank you. When we live in the present, we are able to see the world in a new light. Thank you.
By focusing on the present, we can let go of our distractions and stay focused on our goals. Thank you.